Hello! Today I will show you how to create these effects. First, we select an image. I usually prefer images generated by artificial intelligence. Then, we log into the Pixaverse site and upload the image we selected. Finally, we choose the effect we want. No need to write a prompt, just selecting the effect is enough. Pixaverse offers one free image creation per day. I think it's not bad. The results are amazing. My favorite was Harley Quinn. I did it to see how it would turn out. What do you think? I will do this for a close friend of mine. They will love it.